Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting direct access to the router so settings don't fail mid-change. Open a browser and enter the router IP, commonly 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1, then log in using the admin credentials. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to Ethernet for stability. If you only have wireless, make sure the signal is strong. Once logged in, navigate immediately to the wireless or WLAN section. This is where you'll change the SSID and WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase. You now focus on security settings. In wireless security, choose WPA2 PSK or WPA3 for best protection because open or WEP is insecure. Enter a new, strong passphrase. Aim for 12 or more characters mixing letters, numbers, and symbols, then confirm it. If you change the SSID, do it now so devices can identify the new network, otherwise leave it. After making edits, click Save or Apply and wait for the router to commit settings. Make sure you record the new password securely. Once done, reconnect your devices with the new network name and passphrase. Some devices need a restart to clear old credentials. If you're unexpectedly locked out of the admin page, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button about 10 seconds, then reconfigure the router from defaults. Note this erases custom settings. Finally, make sure you set a unique admin password and check for firmware updates to close known vulnerabilities. These steps keep your network secure long-term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.